Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to use social commerce to sell your products on YouTube. Section 1. What is social commerce? First things first, let's break down what social commerce actually means. Social commerce is the fusion of social media and e-commerce. It's about turning your social media presence into a sales channel. And when it comes to YouTube, the possibilities are endless. Think about it like this. You're scrolling through Instagram and you see a post showcasing a product you like. You can click on it, learn more, and even make a purchase without leaving the app. On YouTube, you have the merch shelf feature. This allows you to display your products directly beneath your video, making it easy for your viewers to explore and purchase what you're promoting. Section 2. Now that we know what social commerce is, let's talk about why it's a game changer for your YouTube channel. Firstly, it boosts viewer engagement. When you engage with your audience in a more interactive way by showcasing and discussing products, you're likely to keep them watching for longer. Consider doing unboxing videos or in-depth product reviews like famous YouTuber, who not only shares their thoughts, but also provides affiliate links for their audience to purchase. Secondly, it opens up new monetization opportunities. You can earn through affiliate marketing, sponsored product placements, and even by selling your own merchandise. Take a look at Casey Neistat, who has his own line of merchandise. He promotes it in his videos, and his fans love to support him by purchasing his gear. Section 3. How to use social commerce on YouTube. Now, let's get to the practical part: how to implement social commerce strategies on your YouTube channel. 1. Product integration. Seamlessly incorporate your products into your content. Show how they solve problems or enhance your viewers' lives. For instance, if you're a tech YouTuber, demonstrate how a particular gadget can improve your audience's daily routine. 2. Effective CTAs. Encourage your viewers to take action. Include clear calls to action that direct them to your product links or the merch shelf. A beauty guru might say, if you want to get this stunning look, check out the links in the description below. 3. Consistency. Make social commerce a regular part of your content strategy. The more you do it, the more your audience will become accustomed to it. Consider doing a weekly product spotlight or a product of the month series. Section 4. Engaging with your audience. Last but not least, remember that social commerce is not just about selling, it's about building a community and trust. Engage with your audience's questions and comments related to the products you promote. Show them that you genuinely care about their feedback. Host Q&A sessions or live streams where you can directly address their queries about the products. Conclusion. In conclusion, social commerce on YouTube is all about leveraging your influence and creativity to connect your audience with products they'll love. It's a win-win for both creators and viewers. So, get started today and turn your YouTube channel into a social commerce powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.